Hi, my name is Marlon S. Castro from Grade 8 Everlasting. What is an educated Filipino? What is an educated Filipino and what qualities should distinguish him today? The conception of education and of what an educated man is varied in response of fundamental changes in the details of aims of society in our country and during this transition stage in our national life. What are the qualities which of education man should possess? Great changes have taken place in the nature of our social life. During the last 40 years, the contact with Americans and their civilization has modified many of our own social customs, traditions, and practices, some for the worse of many for the better. The means of communication have improved and therefore better understanding exists among the different sections of our country. Religious freedom has developed religious tolerance in our people. The growth of public school and the establishment of the democratic institution have developed our national consciousness both in strength and solidarity. With this growth in national consciousness and national spirit among our people, we witness the corresponding rise of a new conception of education, the training the individual for the duties and privilege of citizenship, not only for the own happiness and efficiency, but also for national service and welfare. In the cold days, education was a matter of private concern. Now it is a public function and the state not only has the duty but it has the right as well to educate every member of the community, the old as well as the young women, as well as men, not only for the good of the individual but also for the self-preservation of protection of the state itself. Our modern public school system has been established as a safeguard against the shortcomings and dangers of a democratic government and democratic institutions. In the light of social changes, we comes again to the question, what qualities should distinguish the educated Filipino of today? I venture to suggest the educated Filipino should first the distinguished by the power to do. The Oriental excels in reflective thinking. He is a philosopher. The Occidental is the doors. He manages things, men, and affairs. The Filipino of today needs more of his power to translate reflection into action. The belief that we are coming more and more to the conviction that no Filipino has the right to be considered educated uncles unless he is prepared and ready to take an active and as useful part in the work life and progress of our country as well as in the progress of the world.